In this video, I'm gonna review your guys' store, so let's just get straight into it. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is Chad Achieves or something. It says, dude, you're a boss, would love to work with you. It's this guy anywhere down here. Just took a screenshot of it, and yeah, dude, miss me. My Instagram will be here. And we'll just get straight to work. If you want to win a free 30-minute consult call with me, make sure you comment and subscribe. And guys, I started up the mentorship like 2 weeks ago, and we already had guys like hitting really good numbers. So if you're interested in that, you can just hit me up on the Instagram. So let's just get straight into it and review people's stores. So we are in the first store, and by the way guys, thank you so much for subscribing. This is like we're so close to 300 subscribers. Sorry I've been gone. I've been really sick, or a little bit sick the past days. It's been pretty rough, but I'm back here now. We're gonna review the stores, and this is like the time where I feel like I'm actually growing as a YouTuber, because I got fans, or call it fans though, that's sending me in stores, and that is just so awesome, guys. So I believe you all can do this. So let's just look at the stores. First store is simpledeals.com. First of all, I would take the Z away. You probably couldn't find it with an S, so that's cool, but the Z looks a little weird. That's just to be really specific though. You don't have to do that. This could make sales. The logo over here, it's okay to have, but I feel like it's just getting it out of place. Like, I don't even have logos on my own store unless I do one product store, which I only do if a product goes like completely viral. Is this optimized for like mobile or whatever? Because it's black around here, you definitely want to be changing that. Like, you don't want black stuff on the side here. And this picture, I don't know if you designed it yourself, but it just doesn't really look that good. And dude, this is not to criticize in any way, it's just to help you improve, right guys? And I'm gonna be really strict, just because that's the way you guys will learn. So end year, don't miss our deals. Saying don't miss our deals is a little bit like you're trying hard to sell to them. Putting the free shipping here is okay, but I'll just take like a Shopify photo instead. Like, people can see this, like this you can just show them in the ads instead. It's way better to show people that is like free shipping and stuff like that in the ad, and then just change this picture to something else. Let's just scroll down here and take a little look. We have got the categories. This is really good and professional. I love this part of the store. Love it for sure. Keep that. It makes it look so good. So if you just got rid of this, like, it would be so cool. And this, you got like some of your hot products. I think that's okay. And this part is really good. Love it. What? Yeah, your payments, don't really put in that there. You're selling a little too much. They will figure that out by themselves. And here we got like all the policies. Let's just take a quick look. Yeah, this is awesome, dude. Good job on the store. Like, there's absolutely nothing to criticize here. Like, I want you guys to make bad stores, so there's a lot to pick on. But like, guys, if you like looking to make the ideal store, just like see what this guy is doing. Don't steal his products though, but see what this guy is doing. Like, he's making a really clean layout. Like, my favorite thing so far is this part. All the collections, I always do this myself. It looks beautiful. What I would do up here, instead of having collections, let's just click it really quick. Yeah, I mean, this is decent though. You want to be filling up one more here, by the way. This doesn't look clean when you have one here, and that is actually really important. But when it comes to the collections here, I would honestly just either you can remove about us and put it down here. Take the about us here. Yeah, you already got it. Just keep it there and only have contact us. And instead of saying collections here, you're just gonna be saying home, electronics, women's, men's, up all over here. And like, if it's getting too much, you could just combine them, or just get rid of pets, delete women's, I don't know, do something like that. But you want the collections to be up here, not in a one collection folder. So you want like men's, women's, pets, dogs, whatever over there, right? Let's just look at a random product. This guy probably haven't been putting in too many of his own descriptions yet. Oh, we actually have. Yeah, this is awesome. Love it. Really good description, and we got the reviews. This guy is putting in the work, guys. So what makes this guy, what gives him a higher chance of succeeding than a lot of other people, is that he's putting in the work. You can clearly see this website is clean. Like I said, just change up the front picture. Here, if you only ship from China, don't make it as an option. Like, China is cool, but if you want to be having USA as well, you want to have like Russia, China, US, United Kingdom, Spain, something like that. You don't want to have like only China. That's not a good idea. Don't do that. Secure checkout, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Basically, it's not like too many colors. It's small, that's clean, that's the card button is really easy to see. So basically, dude, your store is awesome. I really love it. Just, I would honestly get rid of this one, and then you just change the front picture of the store. This is awesome. So guys, if you're looking for the ideal store, this guy really did it. Decent. This is good. No pop-ups, really important one. We definitely don't want to have pop-ups. So guys, that's the first store. Let's just get straight into the next store. And this guy really did a good job. It was just like a couple of things to change. So let's look at the next store and see what we can find. This is the next store. It's called bluesex.net. That sounded a little weird when I said it, but it doesn't look that weird. Remove this one. Like, it's okay to have one of these, but honestly, like, you're obviously trying to get, you know, your customers from cold traffic, right? You don't know your customers. You're just testing, putting out different ad sets, $5 a day, whatever you're doing. You don't want to mislead them. It's so important because they will run away. Trust me on this one, they will run straight away. So that doesn't mean no one will buy. Keep that in mind. I'm not saying if you have this one no one will buy, but just remove it because the people are cold traffic. They come to you because you're showing them an ad, not because they're searching you up. So you don't want to mislead them at all. Don't give them this offer. Like, just get out of the pop-ups. We already had one here. I think it says like someone in the US just check out this item like 40 minutes ago or something. Remove that. All the pop-ups, not good. This lineup here is clean. Instagram, Facebook, unlimited free shipping and numbers. That is awesome. Love it, dude. Good job. And the front picture here, pretty decent quality. Get what you love with 10 extra. Yeah, remove. I don't know, like, you don't have to remove this, but I would honestly remove myself. And there is the pop-up. They're not good. For sure, guys, don't do pop-ups. They're not good. Bestsellers, this is decent. Like, this is totally cool. I will make more like collections here instead of bestsellers, but I mean, it's filling up the space. It's cool. And one thing, guys, I've already looked at the store. One thing I noticed that I love about this store, by the way, logo is awesome. These things are a little hard to see, but that is cool. It still looks clean, so don't worry too much about it. One thing I noticed about this store was this part. This is beautiful. Like, this sounds like almost better than my stores. Like, worldwide free shipping with this symbol of a plane, heart, satisfaction, 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7. This is so good, guys. You need to implement this. It's just, that is one of the best ones I've ever seen. Keep that up. It's so awesome. And we are young and vibrant company dedicated in. Yeah, just keep it. It's okay. Keep it. That's okay. And you have the newsletter here, small button. This is cool. Designed by Booster Team. That's cool. I'll honestly remove when it's theme, like powered by Shopify is cool, but if it's a theme, I'll probably remove it. So what I would do if I were you, like, you have the shop here, so that is okay. But guys, one thing I really like to do on my stores is having all the collections here. So I would have like, let's just say over here, I would have women, men, dogs, pets, babies, whatever. That's all bad niches though. But I would have that over here. But I mean, you'll see the shop. If you just make this one a little bit bigger, it will be easier, you know, to get back to the product. But guys, let's just say it's advertising this, but it's probably not description. Oh, dude, this guy's putting in the work. Awesome. Shaking checkout button. No. Too desperate. 6 left. Way too desperate. And this offer is too good to be true. We all know that. We know that it's not $55 discount, and then it's the pop-up. Like, what you need to change on your store, the store is awesome. I love your store, but change all the pop-ups. Desperate things, trying to sell, change all that. 33 people, 38 are currently viewing this product. Remove it. Get rid of all of this. Shaking checkout, that's okay, but I don't really like it myself. Descriptions are decent. Oh, whoa. There's a little too much going on here. This is way too big. This is desperate. Honestly, it looks like too good to be true. You know what I'm talking about. But if you don't think about that, the store is pretty awesome. But what I was going to say, guys, the customer will only be sent to the product page. So if I make an ad, I'll just copy this link and send them straight to this page. But if your customer somehow goes to your home page, it will be really hard for the customer to get back to this because they won't probably use this button. So it will be so hard for your customer to go over to shop, find the product, scroll down here. You're going to make it easy for them to get back. And that is basically it for this store. This guy did a really good job on the store, honestly. I think it looks so clean. The things I mentioned at the bottom with like 24/7 customer support, 30-day money back guarantee, shipping, stuff like that. That is awesome, dude. Keep that up. But this guy really need to improve on the pop-ups. That's for sure. We need to change that. And there's not really any bad stores yet, so but if it's not bad stores and you can't learn from others' mistakes, then try to implement what they're doing. Let's look at the last store. So the last store is Planet Air Heater. I know this guy has made it. We've been talking a little bit, and let's look at his store. Free shipping worldwide. That's awesome. Always keep that. I think it looks really, really good. So you got a picture of the product here, but it's low quality. You can see the quality up here is decent, but the 32 is not that good. Got it. Discovered extraordinary, unique. Yeah, I think that's okay. Like, it's a one product store, obviously. This part down here is clean. Love it, absolutely love it. But what I noticed about this store is that it's becoming a little too much. And guys, by the way, see when I scroll up now, something weird will happen when I scroll up now. Yeah, exactly. It's getting out of shape. Try to change up that because it's getting out of shape when I scroll up. But yeah, so it looks really good to this part, but then it's just becoming way too much of this. Like all the pictures. I mean, it's okay. You don't get me wrong. You could sell 6 figures with this store for sure, but it's getting a little too much. Like all these pictures, it's so much. Like I'm almost I struggle with dizziness on a daily basis, but I'm almost getting dizzy by looking at it. It's a little too much going on here, for sure. Oh. The room is, it's actually feeling like the room is shaking because it's so much. At least when I scroll up like this, I don't even want to do it, so not feeling good. Let's just check out the about it. But dude, the pictures are okay, just get a little bit of a high quality. But everything is hard before it's easy. I mean, quotes like that is awesome. Guys, quotes convert, keep that in mind, like for sure. I always put in quotes in my description. So let's see what we got here. About us. I'm not English, but I don't even understand where I'm going to find the product. Oh, it's the planet, yeah. People probably don't know that it's called that, so maybe you should name it like the product or something, I don't know. Let's look at the product page. You want to get this picture, you want to get the picture from here. Let me try to just drag it from here down to here, if you got it. And then you want to get the checkout from here and over here. And then your description. Like this is taking up all the place. You have to scroll down to see the price. You have to scroll down to see the price, and you have to scroll down to add to cart, and you have to scroll down to you have to scroll down to see the description. Let's just look at one of these guys' products just to make it simple. Yeah, exactly. So on this store compared to this one, you will be able to see the price, the checkout. This one is obviously spam, but you will see the picture of it, the price, the checkout, buy now button, and the description. On this one, you have to scroll down. Definitely change that. But like the stores here are really good. Oh no, not all these pictures again. Like stuff down here, I'm not gonna worry about that. Customers won't even check it at all. So the store for today was pretty decent. I feel like the video is lacking a little bit of value, but that is because I couldn't really find any bad stores because you guys are so good. So yeah, there was a lot of good stores. The only thing that was like bad was like pop-ups, stuff like that, but guys, you can learn something from that. So some of you guys send in bad stores. I don't know. Thank you guys. We're so close for 300 subscribers, so make sure you leave a little comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.